have our new mount for the Uniden R1 R3 radar detector. This is the BNR series. I want to show how the spring clip functions where the mount actually attaches to the radar detector. As per the instructions, we recommend before actually mounting the mount to your vehicle to just kind of play around on the tabletop here and see how the spring clip actually functions, and put the radar detector on and take it off the mount before you actually get it installed in your car. So this spring clip has a sticky pad here, and you see this bottom leg is what actually goes inside the radar detector. So to install it, you want to squeeze this trigger, which lowers this bottom leg. That allows clearance for the mount to slide into the radar detector. So to install, just squeeze it, slide it in the slot, and then let go of the trigger. And now there's enough spring pressure on this sticky pad to securely hold the radar detector onto the mount itself. So the release button and the release mechanism is not used with this mount with the R1 and R3 radar detector. So to release the radar detector from the mount, simply squeeze that spring clip again and it'll just slide right out. Again, the release button is not used when installing or uninstalling the R1 and the R3.
Now we have the Uniden R3 installed in the vehicle with our BNR series mount. I wanted to show how to remove and install the radar detector once installed in the vehicle. To release the radar detector, before squeezing the spring clip, you want to push down the front end to release the sticky pad from the Uniden itself. Once that's down, then squeeze the trigger and just pull it right out. Now to install the radar detector, simply squeeze the trigger so this bottom leg comes down and slide it right on as far as it'll go. Let go of the spring clip, and now between the spring pressure of the spring clip and the sticky pad, you can see the radar detector is securely attached to the mount. What's also nice about the spring clip is we recommend mounting the radar detector up as close to the bottom of the mirror as possible. So even though you may not be able to get your fingers in here to reach any of these top buttons, simply just push it down slightly, push the button you need to push, and then just let go. That allows for a nice tight install up as high as you can get it towards the bottom of the mirror. So to release again, like we mentioned earlier, the release button is not used when releasing or installing the radar detector. Simply push down the front to break the seal from the sticky pad, squeeze the trigger, and slide it right out.